graph of y is equal to 1 over 3x times x minus 6 as shown in the xy plane above. Which of the following are the coordinates of the vertex P? Alright, so to do this, we know that the two x-intercepts are at 0 and 6, right? So therefore, we know that the vertex would be right at the middle of 0 and 6. What is the value right between 0 and 6? Right between 0 and 6 would be 3. So all we need to do is that we know that the value is 3 for the vertex, so we need to just find the y value when x is equal to 3. We can plug that in when x is equal to 3, so let's plug 3 in. These will cancel out, so 3 minus 6 gets you negative 3. So the point is 3, negative 3. C.